Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a mazzer luigi SLR Espresso grinder, and this grinder was brought here because it was pretty much not being able to grind coarse enough, and that was because it was very dirty. So we just pretty much give it a good clean inside over here and really lubricate. Not really lubricate, I mean pretty much clean all the pretty much all the burrs as well, and all everything from pretty much here. Pretty much give it a good clean on the whole grinder, and now we are able to go from wherever you find as you can see right now. You have two more coarser, and you're gonna see. Just give me 1 second. Pretty much that would make a huge difference. So now you're able to adjust it just by rotating this dial, going back and forth. This one also has a small little screw that goes right here that will prevent it from getting stopped. So you need to adjust it. You need to unscrew this one, let it go a little bit, and then just readjust it, unscrew it back in. This is the screw that will just get it in there. So this will be pretty much stopping you from readjusting the grind. So you need to make sure this one is not locked all the way in there. That's pretty much it. The grinder is working perfectly fine now. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.